2003 JCB 214 backhoe from a county. Got a enclosed cab with 4-in-1 bucket. 4-wheel drive, pulling nice and strong there. Engine doesn't smoke a bit. This unit's also got the quick coupler up in the front, which is nice and strong. Got original paint on it. Still looks pretty good. It's got quick coupler in the front and quick coupler in the back. Looks like it's got a about a 24-inch digging bucket in the back. Tires on it, really real good. The front tires, probably a good 75-80% matching. Back tires, maybe 50-60, somewhere in there. 4-wheel drive pulls nice and strong. We deal with quite a few of these JCB 214s, 215s, 3CXs, 4CXs, all different configurations. Easy to get parts for. Really do a good job for our customers. This unit's got pilot controls inside the cab. Seems to run really good, like that. Backhoe's really tight. Doesn't have a whole lot of rattling going on. Nice and snug. You don't see them like that all the time. Nice and tight. Got the 4-in-1 bucket with a quick disconnect system as well. That was a nice little backhoe. JCB 214. Enclosed cab, 4-wheel drive, quick couplers front and rear with the 4-in-1 split bucket up in the front.